Hey children, very good evening to you all. I hope आप सब safe होंगे, घर पर होंगे. So let's begin with our topic, that is cell. As you know that cells are vary in size and shape, but they are having basic components common. Number 1, that is cell membrane. Number 2, cytoplasm. Number 3, nucleus. And number 4, cell organelles. I have already explained you about the cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus and structure of nucleus and the function of nucleus. Now today's there's a turn of cell organelles, right? So we will begin with cell organelles. One thing remember, I'm just touching my face, but you should not. Okay, you don't have to touch your face again and again. I will also try to not touch my face. Okay, so we will begin with the cell organelles. The cell cytoplasm contain the following cell organelles. Number 1, mitochondria. Mitochondria, they produce energy for the oxidation of food. They produces energy for the oxidation of food, and the process of oxidation you have already studied in class 7. So they produce energy for the oxidation of food. They are called powerhouse of the cell because it generate energy. So they are called powerhouse of the cell. Number 2, endoplasmic reticulum, ER. It is a network of membrane and it divides the cytoplasm into channels. It helps in the transport of the substance within the cell. So it works like as a transporter. It helps in the transport of the substance within the cell. Okay. Number 3, Golgi complex or Golgi bodies. It is formed of stacks of flat membranous sac. These sacs carry out concentration, storage and the secretion of the substance from the cell. About the concentration, storage and the secretion, these are the process I will explain you further in the next chapters. Okay, so what is the function of the Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus? They carry out the process of concentration, storage and the secretion of the substance from the cell. Number 4, lysosome. Very important. They are having tissue dissolving enzymes. They help in the digestion of foreign bodies, and sometimes it happens they start doing auto digestion of worn out cells. Then it acts like as a suicide bags of the cell because they are having enzymes which dissolve tissue. Okay, so they help in the digestion of the foreign bodies. But sometimes it happen, it start digestion of worn outs of cell part. Then it acts like as a suicide bag of the cell. Number 5, ribosome. Ribosomes helps in a protein synthesis. That's why they are called protein factory of the cell. Okay. Now centrioles. Centrioles are found in animal cell. They are not found in a plant cell. Remember. Now just we are talking about the particular part of the cell, particular cell organelles which are found in an animal cell and in plant cell. Like centriole, it is found in an animal cell. It does not found in plant cell. Now the plastids. Now remember, the plastids are colored bodies and they are found in plant cells only. They are colored bodies. They are responsible to give color in plants and various parts of the plants. They are following 3 types. Number 1, chloroplast. Chloroplasts are green due to the presence of chlorophyll, and they carry out the process of photosynthesis. As you know that the leaves are green in color, some branches are green in color, flower sepal is green in color. So they are green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll, which is and the chlorophyll, and just due to chlorophyll they are green in color, and they help in the process of photosynthesis. Number 2, chromoplast. Chromoplasts are color pigment and they give color to the flowers and fruits. As you know that the different colors of rose, dahlia, marigold, many flowers are there that we know. And the colors of fruits, orange color, mango is yellow in color, banana is yellow in color, different types of vegetable, brinjal is violet in color, tomato is red in color. So for these color, chromoplasts are responsible. Fine. Number 3, leucoplast. Leucoplasts are colorless plastids. They are colorless. Why they are colorless? Because basically this is leucoplast, the storage of starch, protein and fats. So they are colorless. So they are responsible for the storage of starch, protein and fats. Remember, the plastids are found only in plant cell. Clear? Now, vacuoles. They are present in plant cell and act like as a storehouse of the waste. In mature plant cell, single vacuole is present. In animal cell, either they are without vacuole or have a small few vacuoles are present in animal cell. So these are cell organelles. Number 1, mitochondria. Number 2, endoplasmic reticulum. Number 3, Golgi apparatus. Number 4, ribosome. Number 5, lysosomes. Number 6, centriole, plastids and vacuoles. Mitochondria, they helps to generate energy, so they are called powerhouse of the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum helps in the transport of the substance inside the cell, within the cell. And Golgi apparatus are responsible for the process of concentration, secretion and storage of the substance inside the cell, right? Lysosomes are having the tissue digestive enzymes, but sometimes it acts like as a suicide bag of the cell. Next, ribosomes are helps in the synthesis of protein, so they are called protein factory. Centrioles are found in animal cell. Plastids are found in plant cells, and there are three types: chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast. Chloroplasts are green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll, and they help the process of photosynthesis. Chromoplasts are different color and they are responsible to give colors to flowers and fruits. And the leucoplasts are responsible for the storage of starch, protein and fats, right? And vacuoles are especially found in plant cell, and they are act like as a storehouse of the waste. So they are found in big in shape in a plant cells. Either their animal cells are either without, or they are having vacuoles in a very small size, right? So these are the cell organelles. I have already given you a diagram of plant cells and animal cells and the difference between a plant cells and animal cells. Kindly go through with my notes. If you find any difficulty, if you will refer my notes, then you will come to know about the cell organelles very easily. Is it clear? Now remember, children, I just want to say that by this way this chapter is finished. So prepare it, learn it and do the practice of diagrams of plant cell and animal cell, because it's very, very important chapter. And do the assignments which I have given to you and compile it all. Okay, do in your copy, your fair copy, and compile it, whatever the assignments I have given to you. Okay, and read it. Enjoy your holidays. Stay safe.